In this video guide, I'll demonstrate how to set up auto reply on BigCRM account. Visit Tickets under the Settings page and select Auto Reply to create your first auto reply. On the auto reply creation page, you can check the status of your auto reply, assign it to a channel, and set its time zone. Auto reply comes with two different schedule settings: repeated schedule and fixed date schedule. You can set a repeated schedule for auto reply by designating a repeated time period from Monday to Sunday. You can always add or delete repeated schedule. If you wish to schedule auto reply for a set time and date range, you can turn on the fixed date schedule and specify the start and end date. The fixed date schedule will always override the repeated schedule. When you have both schedule settings toggled on, a schedule setting can be toggled on and off. If you require auto reply to delay its message delivery, simply switch on the set delay function and adjust the number of minimum and maximum delay minutes. You can turn this feature on and off at any time. Auto reply can be set to respond to certain message types, like refund or auto query. You can also select an appropriate template for auto reply to respond to messages accurately. If there are different types of messages you want to reply differently with auto reply, you can add more rules to cover your needs. When you are done setting up auto reply, click Save. Congratulations! Now you have an active auto reply to automatically answer messages. If you wish to disable the auto reply, toggle the status to inactive. Toggle the status to active if you need to resume auto reply. You can always edit the setting of any existing auto reply schedule by clicking the edit icon. Remember to click Save when you have finished editing. Auto reply can be deleted at any time by clicking the delete icon. This concludes the video on how to set up auto reply on BigCRM. If you require assistance in setting up auto reply, please contact BQool support on our live chat. Alternatively, you can email us at support@bqool.com for further assistance.